How to fix WhatsApp video message option not showing. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. In order to do so, just tap open your Play Store or App Store in the case of an iOS device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for WhatsApp and click on it. If there is an update button next to uninstall, click on the update button to make sure that your WhatsApp application is up to date. If not, you need to check for your Wi-Fi connection. For that, scroll down your notification center. In here, check for the Wi-Fi connection. If it's acting super slow, you can switch into a mobile data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which you will connect to a better Wi-Fi connection or a cellular data. After which, tap open your WhatsApp to check if the feature is available for you. If not, tap open your phone settings. From here, first step is to scroll down and tap on System Update. Make sure that your system is up to date so that it supports the latest feature of WhatsApp. Then, last but not the least, you may have to clear the cache of WhatsApp. For that, tap open Apps from your settings. Click on All Apps. Search for WhatsApp. Start off by clicking on Force Stop, then OK, and head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. By this way, you'll be able to resolve your issue of video message option not showing. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.